and welcome to this session on NLAT 2020 analysis. This session is being done on the YouTube channel of leading CLAT Coaching Institute of Career Compass and my personal channel, Dinesh Nagpal. I am Dr. Dinesh Nagpal. I am Chief Mentor of Career Compass. I'll not let you hold and quickly go and introduce the students that who are with me. They're all very bright, hardworking young boys and girls. So on my left, left or right, whatever it is, Mansha Jain. Hi, Mansha. Mansha, could
Good
you?
evening, sir.
Hello, and then we are joined by Chavi. Hello, Chavi. Hello, Ridhima. Ridhima, could you speak out? Say hello to crowd, audience. Hello. Hello, Ridhima. Can you speak out? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Rohit.
Yeah,
Okay. And Aryan. Okay. All
Hi,
of
sir.
you are very, very bright students. You have been working very hard, and that you have just finished. And my first question, which is actually very painful and disturbing, I'll come each one to you. Mansha, I'll start with you. Was cheating possible?
Yes, sir. I think it was possible.
It was possible. What could have been the
Yes,
possible
sir.
methods?
So there could be many, like the range of webcam is very particular and specified. So anyone could sit in the vicinity in such a way that he or she is not visible in the webcam, and then he or she could provide with external assistance. Or a
Chavi, what
student
is
can
your
also
call?
search the questions on mobile.
Okay. Chavi, what is your call?
possible, like
Yes, Chavi.
using another device, like one can type
Vishal?
some. Am I
Yes,
audible?
Chavi, please speak louder. Shantu ho jayega call back.
So cheating was possible, like one can use another device and type and search on the Google.
Okay. Ridhima, what is your call? Was cheating possible? Yes, Ridhima.
Yes, sir, I think it was possible, but it would take a little time because time was 45 minutes, so it would really be a crunch. But yes, it was definitely possible for some people. Like they can be sitting
People
with
are very tech savvy can do it.
people, and I agree with yeah, and I agree with Mansha. People can sit in vicinity.
Yeah, Rohit, what do you feel? Cheating was possible?
Yes, sir. Sir, I just saw the video of Kalpesh Malpani, NLU job student. He himself showed that they were on a Zoom video call and they cheated and nothing was happening and no warning was given to them. He has uploaded the video on his YouTube channel also. I think it was possible, sir.
Yes, Aryan, what do you think? Cheating was possible?
Yes, it was possible, like using methods like share screen. And like if you remember, originally NLAT has asked everyone to download an app for preventing us from cheating. But afterwards, when they decided that students with mobile phones and can give the test on mobile phones, they struck that requirement. So maybe that app was there for preventing screen sharing and everything of that sort.
So anyway, it is very disturbing, and yes, you're right. There's a report on Legal India as well, where it says I'll be sharing it with you also, and I'll be sharing the link in this live session also. That clearly, Legal India is a very responsible website, and it will not make any comment like that. Technical glitches, Mansha.
Yes, sir. My exam started 10 minutes late and it automatically submit at 4:45. Like the exam slot was from 4 to 4:45. It started 10 minutes late because the verification of my Aadhaar card, it took a lot of time.
Yeah.
So I did not get proper time to complete my exam.
Chavi.
Yes, same. Like it took very long time in verification, but I got the proper time, like 45 minutes.
Ridhima.
No, so there was no technical glitch on my side.
No technical.
On my
Yes.
side, there was yes.
Rohit.
No, sir, there was no technical glitch on my side, but I saw on my group that people in the first slot faced a lot of technical issues. They were not able to start the exam till 1 o'clock also.
Yeah. Aryan, how about
But
you?
they were
Yes, so
Technical.
there was a technical glitch, but I got the whole time for the exam. But then it also puts more pressure on you if so the exam is not starting at 5.
Yes, he's right. Once you are appearing in the exam for which you are preparing for a year or two, and suddenly the screen goes blank or something happens, it puts a lot of pressure on you, and that's also, I think, unfair. And there have been cases where people were not able to appear in the exam at all. There are at least one student, I am sure about, one student of Career Compass, whose verification never happened. So he was not able to even appear in the exam. Coming down to the questions, the level of questions. Mancha, what was your slot?
So 4 to 4:45.
4 to 45. What do you think about the quality of questions and level of the paper?
So legal, GK, and English. These three sections were like quite well, and they were of moderate level. But quantitative techniques, so that those particular questions were very, very time consuming. And moreover, so two passages were purely based on economic side. So over there, questions such as share market and impact of GDP on how many basis points the share market has changed. Such questions were also there, which were more into commerce side. Like it was not equal for the students of all the streams to answer them.
See, Mancha, that the day they gave the sample paper, it was very clear. In fact, I shared it on my video that they will be using passages with economics background, because otherwise they will not be able
Yes,
to make
sir.
questions on data interpretation. Chavi, which was your slot?
So my slot was 2:15 to 3 o'clock, and so my slot में like all the passages were general, vaccine nationalization, role of women and men in leading the world, and Delhi electric policy, and one related to COVID also. And passages were simple, not particularly related to commerce field. It was general in the all sense. And as said, maths was difficult, like it was lengthy. It took very much time.
Riddhima, how about you? Which was your slot?
So 2:15 to 3.
3:15.
2:15 to 3, the same as Chavi, yes.
Okay. So what is your call? What Chavi is saying and Mancha is saying the maths was difficult. What is your call section wise?
Math was difficult for everybody. Math was very lengthy, and it was not just like solvable. And you do not solve these questions in regular mocks because it was very difficult.
Yeah.
And yes, also GK part was not at all current affairs. It was properly static, and a static which we do not read like normally. Like for other exams like ALET or CLAT, we do not study this static like major educationalists or something like that. The static portion is very unreliable. Like what do we get out of this? And plus maths is really tough. It was not solved in 45 minutes. Like you cannot go 45 minutes, 40 questions in 45 minutes with maths too.
Absolutely. Rohit, what is your impression? Which was your slot?
My slot was same as Mansha. 3:15, 3:32 means 4 o'clock. My test started till 4:45. I feel same like Ridhima Deep. Maths was very difficult for me as well, and GK was not at all current. They said that it will be based on flat pattern, but I don't feel same.
I think they have also even defied their own sample paper. Even the paper was different from their own sample paper. That question that they did give. Right? They did not even follow what they said in their paper. I remember that. I can what I can make out. Aryan, what do you feel? Which was your slot? How was the paper? And did they follow their own sample paper or not?
Sir, as far as sample paper goes, I think that they provided very less questions in that sample paper. And even the mock test which they provided was actually the same sample paper and not something different. So in that case, we didn't have the right idea regarding the patterns or the type of questions which were going to come. And
So
again,
how would you feel that what was the difficulty level and what was the overall difficulty level in terms of all sections, legal, reasoning and GK and maths?
sir, English, legal and logical were mostly simple and straightforward questions. And maths, the concept were elementary, like ratios and everything. I think the highest concept was AP, but they just had so much calculations that it wasn't viable to do that. And GK was
Otherwise, I think one question could have taken 20 minutes. Yeah, Aryan, please.
yes, sir. And GK was also mix of current and static. Like one of the question was about period, the end of the sentence, which if anyone like is a dropper, it gives them a slight edge because that is one film which all of them would remember since
Mhm.
it's from the 2018 Academy Awards.
Mhm. Okay, Rohit, how many questions did you attempt and how much time did it take you?
Sir, from 33 to 35, I attempted. I left 5 questions.
Chavi, how about you?
So around 35.
Around 35. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ridhima?
Yes, I attempted around 34 questions, I think.
34. Yes. Aryan?
So around 34.
Okay. Forget about the cheating part, forget about the technical glitches. If you were to think that what kind of scores will get you a seat in NLS Bangalore, what is your call? You are all free to speak on your own. No turns here. You can share your inputs.
Going to this, I think 55 around should
50
get
to
in it.
55,
Yeah.
I think, yeah, 50
Yeah,
to
same,
50.
sir. 50 to 55.
Anybody, I have a feeling at my call is that if anybody has got 28 questions right in totality, 7, that is what I feel. Yes, same with 50 to 55, maybe 52, 53, 54. But yes, cheating is something which is really very disturbing. Cheating has happened. There is no doubt about it because now we got ample proof. People are sharing, as you said about NLU Jodhpur student. They went to Zoom. The pictures are already available, and I hope actually what I feel that there was no sense of holding and lack, and I think those who are connected to me right now through you, there is a petition pending in Supreme Court. Supreme Court has said you can go ahead with the exam, but you will not declare the results without the decision of the Supreme Court. And I
Yes,
think
sir.
I would like to ask one question. This question has two parts. One, was NLAT necessary? I don't think so. It was. Two, should NLAT be scrapped and they should take CLAT scores only? What is your call? Is NLAT, after listening to all the details, just 1 hour after the
No,
exam?
sir.
Is
And that was
N,
not necessary. It was definitely not necessary, and it was we were given such a short period to like think about it and focus on it. Like if we were given just a week, a new exam comes up and we're given just a week to prepare. It creates a certain panic and pressure. You've been preparing for 1.5 years continuously with such extreme conditions, COVID, and the exam has been postponing, and then you're given a week just to like uh, put yourself into the momentum again. And the exam, would be tough because it's the best.
and then with the
Job
technical
order.
glitches and cheating part and all happening. In fact, I think we have not been able to meet you since February because of the COVID. I
Yes.
think last class that we had was in Feb. Right. Yes. Anybody? Yes, Rohit. Uh, Considering the cheating, does NLAT or technical glitches, does NLAT remain any longer a fair exam? Even if five.
No, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I even got the picture on Telegram groups at the same time when test was going on. Someone clicked the pictures from the phone and they sent it on the groups to tell the answer. So what was the use for taking the exam from home?
Please preserve it. Please save these pictures with you. Okay. Yes, Mancha, did you also come to get know about such malpractices during the exam?
Sir, I haven't joined any such Telegram channel like Rohit is telling me. But sir, when I have talked to some of my friends and they have also told me that there was a full scope of cheating. Like they could easily search the questions on the internet by asking somebody to sit besides them and help them by looking at the GK part. Like some GK questions are such that they can be directly found on the internet.
Yeah. That's
So those could be easily searched, and the the paper was of no use because such limited number of seats are there in NLU Bangalore, and if 15 or 20 students may have also cheated, then those 15-20 seats have gone.
I think out of 58 seats in general, even if 8 students are there of substandard quality, then what kind of academic excellence NLSU Bangalore is going to claim?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Aryan,
the
did
same
you
has been
also
said.
receive any report of cheating?
Yes, sir.
Did you also come to know that cheating was happening some places?
Sir, I haven't yet, but I assumed that in the same slot, the questions given to each candidates would have been different. But now discussing, I find out that they were the same. So, like, one of the easier way could have just been multiple registration
Mm,
of the same candidate and just use a different link for the same exam.
Wonderful. That's right. Anyway, I think whatever has happened. Let us wait and please make sure that you file your objections at the earliest and share your inputs about the technical glitches, about everything that the NLS Bangalore has asked you to put in. I'll sum it up. Number one, there were a lot of technical glitches. Number two, cheating has happened. There is no doubt about it. No. Now, while earlier we were asking cheating was possible or not, but now we are sure that cheating has happened. Number three, the paper was, if anybody gets between 50 to 55 marks, should be inside NLS Bangalore, but that only we come to know in the shortly as what's going to happen. So thank you so much. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you, Ridhima, Chavi, Mancha, and Rohit for sparing your time. Please take it in your stride and just forget it for now. You have a bigger, hurdle coming up on 20th September. That is CLAT. And I hope that the better sense prevails and NLSIU comes back and says that we will take the CLAT scores. So with all that, I'll thank you once again. Thank you so much. All the best for your today's exam and upcoming exam as well. Right. Thank you so much and please take care. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Everyone.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.